Switchgear. We are here introducing a new type of solution. What is the solution about? The solution is actually about condition monitoring. What are we actually monitoring? We are actually monitoring the partial discharge in switchgear and also the fire hazard that happens in switchgears. So how do we actually do it? We actually acquire data from our products, and then this data is actually helping our clients to reduce the downtime and also to suggest a preventive maintenance to our client. What should they do if there is a hazard or partial discharge happening in the switchgears? So we actually install temperature sensors. Temperature sensors are located in parts of the switchgears. So these temperature sensors will pick up the temperatures increases in the busbar. So all these temperatures increases and the temperatures in the busbar is sent back to the HMI. And if there is any abnormal temperatures, then the HMI should give you an alarm, pre-alarm and an alarm. Sensors are not powered by batteries. So if it's not powered by batteries, how does it actually work? It requires the busbar to have current. So with the electromagnetic field that it harvests, it actually sends the signals back to the HMI. So this is how the temperature sensors, without batteries, it can still transmit signals. Here we have a partial discharge sensor. This partial discharge sensor is a magnetic type. We can see at the back of the sensors, it actually records ultrasonic, transient voltage and ultra high frequency. Over the front, we have temperature and humidity sensors. So this is a magnetic type of partial discharge. You can deploy on any of the switchgear easily. You can just snap on. It is magnetic attached and it will monitor the partial discharge for this particular switchgear. If you feel that it is not suitable to be put on the front, you can actually magnetically stick it at the inside of the switchgear. So this partial discharge sensor will actually monitors whether there is partial discharge or no in the particular switchgears. This is a human-machine interface, an HMI. So this HMI actually acquires data from the temperature sensors. The temperature sensors and the partial discharge sensors will send the signal to this HMI, and then this HMI will acquire the data to monitor the health, the condition, and also the stability of the switchgear. So in case that the HMI receive an abnormal parameters, is partial discharge, also abnormal temperatures, then it will actually trigger a pre-alarm and an alarm. This threshold can be set by the clients. When these abnormal parameters are collected, it will actually trigger a preventive maintenance action for the client. So what should the client do in order to have a higher uptimes to all their switchgears? This HMI can collect up to 1000 numbers of sensors. The data collected in the HMI can be utilized by our clients. The clients wants the data to be sent to the energy management system or building management system, the EMS or the BMS. You can just connect it using RS485 or Modbus connection. So how does all the sensors communicate with this HMI? It's actually using radio wave at 433 MHz.